Welcome back to Cooking by the Book. My name is Katie, and today we're taking a look at Dr. Michael Osner's The Complete Mediterranean Diet Cookbook. Now, we are not health professionals, although we do have many different cookbooks and books on different types of diets and lifestyles. So we do recommend, if you choose to adopt one of these, that you talk to your doctor about it first. Today, we're taking a look at a delicious pesto stuffed shell recipe from this cookbook. Let's get started. For pesto stuffed shells, we will need 3 ounces, or about 12, jumbo pasta shells, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 2 cloves fresh garlic, finely minced, 1 cup thinly sliced button mushrooms, a 1/4 teaspoon fresh thyme, 1 cup red bell pepper, diced, a 1/2 cup yellow summer squash, diced, 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1/2 cup sliced leek, white and greened parts, 1 cup part-skim ricotta cheese, 1/3 cup basil pesto sauce, and also some grated Parmesan cheese to taste and for garnish. To begin, we'll boil our pasta. I'm going to add my pasta to boiling water for about 14 minutes. Check the instructions on your pasta for the best time for yours. Meanwhile, we'll start heating a tablespoon of olive oil in our skillet. Once our oil is good and warm in our pan, we'll add our garlic, our thyme, and our mushrooms. And we'll let these sauté for about 5 minutes. We'll add in our squash and bell pepper and continue to sauté until those are tender. Once the vegetables are ready, we'll remove them from heat. And we'll go ahead and stir in our chickpeas and our leek. And it's time to drain our pasta. So I'll take care of that real quick and return it to the pan. I'm going to set this aside with a little bit of olive oil to keep them from sticking together while I finish up the filling. And to finish up the filling now, all we have to do is add in our pesto and our ricotta cheese. Now it's time to stuff the shells. Once they're all stuffed, the last step is to garnish with some Parmesan cheese. And we're ready to enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking by the Book, and we'll see you next time.